Welcome to the introduction of our series, Tax Planning, Your Path to Financial Freedom. In this series, we will explore the essential strategies and tips that can help you navigate the complex world of taxes. Tax planning is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Whether you're a young professional, a small business owner, or someone planning for retirement, tax planning can make a significant difference in your financial health. It's all about keeping more of your hard-earned money. By strategically planning your taxes, you can minimize your tax burden and maximize your savings. Don't wait until the last minute. Start planning now and reap the rewards. Early tax planning allows you to take advantage of deductions, credits, and other tax-saving opportunities throughout the year. Effective tax planning helps you achieve your financial goals, reduces your tax liability, and increases your savings potential. By understanding your tax situation, you can make better financial decisions and plan for the future. By understanding tax laws, you can make informed decisions that will benefit your financial future. Staying updated with the latest tax regulations ensures that you are always in compliance and can take advantage of new tax benefits. Imagine a world where you pay fewer taxes and have more money to invest and save. With proper tax planning, this can become a reality. You can allocate more funds towards your investments, retirement accounts, and other financial goals. That's the power of tax planning. It empowers you to control your finances. By being proactive and organized, you can avoid last-minute stress and make the most of your financial resources. Take charge of your financial well-being and embrace the power of tax planning. Working with a tax professional or financial advisor can provide you with personalized strategies tailored to your unique situation. It's your key to a brighter financial future. Start your tax planning journey today and unlock the potential for financial freedom and security. Remember, the sooner you start, the more benefits you can enjoy. Moving on to Section 2, Understanding the Basics. It's not as scary as you think. Taxes may seem complicated, but they don't have to be. Start by understanding the basics. Learn about different tax brackets and filing statuses. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions. Familiarize yourself with common tax forms and understand the difference between deductions and credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce your tax liability. Both can save you money. Don't be afraid to seek help. The IRS offers resources and guidance, and you can also consult with a tax professional. They can provide personalized advice for your situation. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the basics, you can approach tax planning with confidence. It's the first step towards financial empowerment. In Section 3, we discuss how to maximize your deductions to keep more money in your pocket. Deductions are a powerful tool for reducing your taxable income. They lower the amount of money subject to taxation, which translates to significant savings. Common deductions include mortgage interest, student loan interest, and medical expenses. Charitable donations and state and local taxes are also deductible. Make sure you're claiming all eligible deductions. Keep accurate records throughout the year. Track your expenses and save receipts. This will make tax time less stressful and ensure you don't miss any deductions. Remember, every dollar deducted is a dollar saved. Maximize your deductions and keep more of your hard-earned money. Finally, in Section 4, we delve into credits versus deductions. Know the difference, reap the rewards. Both credits and deductions reduce your tax liability, but they work in different ways. Understanding the difference is crucial for maximizing your savings. Deductions lower your taxable income, reducing the amount of tax you owe. Credits, on the other hand, directly reduce your tax liability dollar for dollar, making them more valuable than deductions. Examples of valuable tax credits include the child tax credit and the earned income tax credit. The child tax credit helps families with qualifying children, while the earned income tax credit benefits low to moderate income workers. Research available credits and determine your eligibility. These credits can significantly reduce your tax burden. Don't miss out on these valuable savings opportunities. Section 5. Retirement Planning. Secure your future while saving on taxes. Retirement planning is crucial for long-term financial security. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. The good news is that retirement contributions often come with tax advantages. Contributions to traditional 401(k)s and IRAs are tax deductible. This means you can reduce your current tax liability by saving for retirement. It's a win-win situation. Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. While contributions aren't deductible, your money grows tax-free. This can be advantageous if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement. Explore different retirement savings options and choose the best fit for your needs. By planning for retirement, you're not only securing your future, but also minimizing your tax burden. Section 6. Smart investing. Grow your wealth and minimize tax liability. Investing is essential for building wealth. It allows your money to grow over time. However, investment income is also taxable. By making smart investment choices, you can minimize your tax liability. Consider investing in tax-advantaged accounts like 401, COCAs, and IRAs. These accounts offer tax benefits that can significantly enhance your investment returns. Long-term capital gains are taxed at a lower rate than short-term gains. If you hold investments for over a year, you'll pay less in taxes when you sell. Consult with a financial advisor to develop a tax-efficient investment strategy. By aligning your investments with your tax goals, you can maximize your returns and keep more of your earnings. Section 7. Homeownership and taxes benefits you need to know. Homeownership comes with significant tax advantages. Mortgage interest and property taxes are deductible. These deductions can result in substantial savings for homeowners. If you're selling your primary residence, you may be eligible for the capital gains exclusion. This exclusion allows you to avoid paying taxes on a portion of your profits. Homeownership can be a powerful tool for building wealth and reducing your tax liability. Take advantage of these benefits and explore your options with a tax advisor. Section 8. Education and taxes. Invest in your future, reduce your burden. Investing in education is an investment in yourself. It can open doors to new opportunities and enhance your earning potential. The good news is, there are tax benefits associated with education expenses. The American Opportunity. Tax credit and the lifetime learning credit can help offset the cost of higher education. These credits can make education more affordable for individuals and families. Student loan interest is also tax deductible. This deduction can save you money while you're repaying your loans. Explore these options and make education more affordable. Section 9. Year-round tax planning. Stay ahead of the game. Tax planning is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires year-round attention. By staying organized and informed, you can avoid surprises and maximize your savings. Review your withholdings throughout the year. Make adjustments if necessary to avoid owing a large sum or receiving a small refund. Keep track of your income and expenses. Stay informed about changes in tax laws. Tax laws are constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay up to date. This will help you adapt your tax planning strategies accordingly. By making tax planning a year-round habit, you'll be in a better position to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. Section 10. Seeking professional help. When and why you need an expert. While understanding the basics of tax planning is important, seeking professional help can be invaluable. Tax professionals can provide personalized advice and ensure you're maximizing your savings. If your financial situation is complex, involving investments, rental properties, or a business, a tax advisor can be extremely helpful. They can navigate complex tax laws and develop tailored strategies for your needs. A tax professional can also help you plan for the future. They can assist with retirement planning, estate planning, and other long-term financial goals. Remember, professional help is an investment in your financial well-being. Don't hesitate to seek guidance when needed. Section 11. Conclusion. Take control of your taxes. Empower your finances. Tax planning is not just about minimizing your tax liability. It's about taking control of your finances and empowering yourself to achieve your financial goals. By understanding tax laws and implementing effective strategies, you can keep more of your hard-earned money and secure your financial future. Start by educating yourself about basic tax principles. Explore different deductions, credits, and tax-advantaged accounts. Consider your long-term financial goals and develop a plan that aligns with your aspirations. Remember, tax planning is an ongoing process. Stay organized, stay informed, And don't be afraid to seek professional help when needed. By taking control of your taxes, you're taking control of your financial destiny.